Lost your remote? No problem. You can easily turn on your Pioneer Xumo TV using two primary methods. First, check for a physical power button, usually located on the bottom or side bezel of the TV. Press and hold it for 2 to 3 seconds to power on. If that doesn't work, or you prefer a digital approach, use the Pioneer TV Remote app. Download it from Google Play or the App Store. Ensure your TV is connected to Wi-Fi, then pair the app with your TV. This gives you full control, including power on-off, directly from your smartphone or tablet. Having trouble? First, make sure your TV is plugged in and has power. For app-based control, ensure the TV and your device are on the same Wi-Fi network. Also, make sure the app has necessary permissions. If the physical button is unresponsive, it might be due to wear. Consider a firmware update, as v1.4.2 and later have fixed button issues on some models. As a last resort, universal remote apps like AnyMote can also work. Remember, voice control requires the TV to be initially powered on, so it's not a standalone solution for turning it on from a completely off state. By 2025, app-based control is the most reliable option, with most users preferring it.